In a world where rugged is mandatory, being tough isn't enough anymore. Deadlines are faster, volumes are higher, and workers have more to keep track of than ever before. Which means they need more too. More power, more versatility, more abilities, and more connectivity. Discover the all-new ET6 series 10-inch Android tablets. Extraordinary tablets that bring the ruggedness you've come to expect with the flexibility and future-ready features you didn't even see coming. Screens bright and large enough for every task, and the unparalleled adaptability that empowers workers to just grab and go. Turning their tablet into whatever they need it for. A 2-in-1 laptop alternative, a vehicle-mounted computer, an automated data capture device, or a workstation right on the production line, enabling them to switch seamlessly between the harshest environments without being slowed down. Because it goes without saying, your workers deserve a tablet that has been through more real-world tests than any other. Water, vibration, salt fog, solar, dust, cold. Because they will be tested every day. And Zebra's always here to help them through it, keeping them securely connected to the information and people they need, wherever they go, using one of the industry's most powerful processors. Whether your plan is continuing on Wi-Fi with the ET60 or setting up a private cellular network with the ET65, the ET6 is a series built for today and tomorrow that delivers you the fastest performance possible, ensuring your teams are fully equipped to handle it all for years to come, and entirely backed by Zebra's long life cycle of software, service, and support. So, move forward with confidence, relying on the industry's most versatile tablet that knows no bounds. The ET60 and ET65. From your leader in Android rugged tablets, Zebra.